Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Solana on OKX. So first of all, what you need to do is create your account on OKX. After that, you need to verify it. And then once you did that, we go here to trade and then click here on spot and margin. Then after that, what you need to do is search here in the crypto bar for Sol right there. And then you need to decide if you want to buy the Euro Sol or the USD. Now we want to do the USD. And now we are having here the chart. So what we're gonna do right here is quite simple. We scroll a little bit down and now we have here a trade, limit order or market order. So decide what you want to do. And then after that, here is the price that we want to step in with. So right now the price is 86.93, so it changed a little bit. So we will do this for there. Let's say this is fine. And now we select the amount of Solana that we want to step in. So let's say 2 Solana, that's fine. Then after that, we click here on TP and stop loss. And now we can also create a take profit or a stop loss. So you can decide if you want to do that. Then after that, we click here on buy Sol. Then here is a order confirmation. And then right now we click here on confirm. And now we just bought some nice Solana. I don't have any money standing on this account. So that is why he is telling me that I need to deposit crypto to this account. But if you have money standing on your account, this is the way how you can buy Solana. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.